Bye.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Diane, and today I'm just going to be opening my new MacBook Pro. So Apple released their new updated 2020 model of their 13-inch MacBook Pro, and I got it here today. And I'm just going to be doing a quick unboxing, and I'm just going to be showing you guys how I set everything up. So I wanted to get this for a while. I'm so excited. I finally got it. So I ordered the 13-inch MacBook Pro in space grade, 256 gigabytes, and yeah, I ordered it from a store here, like in my city, and I already opened it up there, you know, because I had to check it. So yeah, I'm just going to be opening it up now. Oh my god, I'm so excited. So this is how it looks. Oh my god, it looks so good. So here we have just basically the instruction manual, and I think I got the stickers. So yeah, I got the stickers as well. I got the gray stickers. Here we have just the charging block and the USB charging cable. So yeah, that's basically what's here. So let's get into the good stuff. So, oh my god, this is the laptop. So I'm just going to take this out. This part is always so satisfying in videos. Oh my god, it looks so pretty. What? Okay, so I'm just going to choose English as the main language. The touch bar. And for my country, I'm going to choose Ukraine because that's where I am. Dictation. Okay, so I'm just going to connect to my Wi-Fi. So it's asking if I want to transfer information to this MacBook. The other laptop I had was not a MacBook. This is my first MacBook, so no, don't transfer any information. So I'm just going to sign in my Apple ID. Oh, my password. Ooh, okay. So Siri. Hey Siri. Hey Siri, open the documents folder. Hey Siri, show my downloads. Hey Siri, what's the weather like? Hey Siri, what does the rest of my day look like? Yay! Okay. Someone's going to put my Touch ID now. Apple Pay. Set up later. So now just asking to choose like if I want light, dark, or auto mode. I'm just going to go with dark mode because I really like the dark red. So yeah, I've just set everything up. I think I'll just set like every other thing up later, like my home screen and everything. I'm so excited! Okay, so guys, my MacBook is all set up now and I really love it. So this is how it looks and this is how the keyboard looks. So apparently this is the Magic keyboard and it's much more better than the previous keyboard, which was the Butterfly keyboard. So yeah, so it also comes with a Touch ID, which I think is really cool, and the touch bar. So at the touch bar you can control your brightness, volume, and Siri as well. And I love how big the trackpad is as well. It's pretty big, and in my previous laptop it was very small and I didn't like it at all. So I like how big the trackpad is, and yeah. So yeah guys, that's it for this video. I'm so excited that I got this MacBook. You guys don't even know. So I was actually indecisive. I was thinking of getting the MacBook Air or the MacBook Pro, and I finally decided to go with this one because I actually like watched a lot of videos, unboxing videos, reviews about the MacBook Air, and I just heard that, you know, it had some problems with overheating and most of the time it crashes while editing. So I decided to go with the MacBook Pro. I didn't really see any complaint about this, so I decided to go with this, and I'm so excited. I'll probably be doing a 1 week review, so if you'd want to see that, please subscribe to my channel. I'm definitely going to be doing one in a week's time. So yeah, so thank you so much for watching my video. If you liked it, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up, and also tell me what you think, or if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section down below. I'll definitely answer them. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Again, thank you so much for coming, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.